Well, those are 17-inch wheels and 37-inch tires. If you are looking for an install video, Superlift has a great one. I'll have a link directly to that in the description. The issues that I had were because of my personal choices to go with 17s and a much larger tire than they recommend. If you stick to the recommendations, I'm sure you'll have no problem. Hi, welcome.
I'm glad I just bought you that sweatshirt. There she is.
A little one out of harm's way.
Oh, look at that.
Here, this mount has to be trimmed before the differential can be removed. Measure from the inside of the bracket out 5.5 inches.
What are you cutting?
Scary part. I gotta cut the frame.
Oh.
5.5 inches to me looks like it's basically this left edge of this hole right there.
Yes, that was correct.
Cool.
What's the purpose? Just to make room?
Just to drop it. Yeah, it just needs to occupy this space.
Finally got it off.
All right, we'll clean it up with the grinder, throw some paint on it,
Call it.
and then start putting stuff back together. Put it on thick, let it drip. Instructions.
Yeah, those are good.
This is the front cross member. That'll go front. This.
Front cross member goes at the front. Crazy. Take a minute to explain things.
So the bolt that needs to come out of the front on this side of the diff is hitting the steering link. It's close, but it's just hitting the edge of it. So I think if we drop this side down a little bit and tweak it, it should pivot past the steering linkage so we can get it out.
Cool. 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 Uh-oh.
Oh boy. Try and do this quick because it's a little cold.
Yeah, it is.
So there were some complications. I realized the SVT wheels have a little lip around the inside of the rim. I'll show you that. Just keep it from killing me. There. There's one clean spot on this wheel. We've got a little interference here on the end of this tie rod end. End of the tie rod end. So shave it a little bit. Hopefully we'll be in good shape. I buzzed it just a little and it's just touching on the kind of the extremes here. So taper that a little.
There's the GX bumper.
Take a look. Oh, it looks pretty again. I think that's not right. Plus, if it's not, we'll see good paint transfer. I'll try that shit. Here she is. So you saw that we lost some footage, but we were at the point where everything had been taken off and we were just putting the parts back in. What you did miss, we got the longer Fox shocks on, and in the back it's just a lift block, which really wasn't that hard to put in. So the 37s are on 4.5 inches of lift. It's street drivable, but driving it out here, it does buzz a little bit. So I'll have some more cutting to come. Go ahead and subscribe if you're interested in seeing that. I'll have a full video on what you need to cut and how I ended up doing it. But so far, I'm really happy with it. The lift went in pretty easily. It would have been a lot easier if I just followed their suggestions, but I had a different vision in mind and I'm really enjoying how it's turning out. So, appreciate you joining me again today, and I'll see you next time.
Feel the burn. You're doing great, babe. Do you need help?
Just keep leapfrogging our way up.
Okay. Almost there. Home sweet home.
Wow, what a commute. That driveway though,